Hi, welcome to today's video. My name is Mimi and this is Simply Sophisticated Over 50. I'm excited you're here today. We're going to jump right into the video. I have come to love Laura Geller products. I love the Baked Balance and Brighten Foundation. I love the Matte Powder Foundation, and I love the Marbleized Blush. And so I got some new lip products from Laura Geller, and these are the Marbleized lipsticks, and I bought a couple of them. I wanted to try them out. I'm just really excited to see how they turn out. I also got a lip liner from NYX that I think will go well with both of the colors that I got, but I'm not going to try that yet because I want to see how these colors look without a liner. Well, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to prep your lips. I believe that starts the night before. I believe it starts at night before you go to bed. I always put something on my lips, whether it's a lip oil, which I love, the City Beauty lip oil. I've just recently started using this and I love it. I love the results it's given me. If you don't have a lip oil, or you're kind of scrambling and you want to put something on your lips that's going to be healthy for your lips, that's going to help hydrate your lips, you can get some coconut oil, some organic coconut oil, and put just a little bit on your lips at night. Another thing you can do is use a lip scrub. You can use your toothbrush every once in a while just to exfoliate your lips, and that way they're going to be smooth and you're going to have that smooth surface to apply your lipstick. Okay, well, I've got a couple of different shades. I'm literally opening these right now, so let me see what I got here. I want to read the box to you. I want to read what the box says. This first one is Honey Bun, is the shade. This is Italian Marble. This lipstick is a work of art. Marbled ribbons of light and dark pigments swirl together to create a multi-dimensional look. The unique formula is infused with nourishing vitamin E and castor seed oil to hydrate, just like your go-to balm. So whatever lip balm that you love, this is going to feel like a lip balm instead of feeling like a dry lipstick. And here's what it looks like. This is Honey Bun. So when you're applying your lipstick, what you want to do is, you see the shape of the lipstick. So this is what we call the bullet. And what you're going to do is you're going to start at the Cupid's bow and apply it. I mean, you can put it on however you want, but the way that this is formulated is so that you don't actually have to have a lip liner, and that way you can line your lips with it first. So we're going to do that. This is really, really pretty. I love all the dimensions they're right. It does give a multi-dimension effect. This is without a liner. I am going to put a lip liner on, but I really like this lipstick. It does feel hydrated, and it definitely feels like my go-to lip balm. So I love the way it feels, and I like the way it looks. Let me go ahead and try that liner and see how that's going to look with this. Oh, and it's got a little magnet. The lip pencil I'm using is Line Loud Lip Pencil by NYX, and the name of this shade is 10 out of 10. They have quite a few different shades, different pinks and neutrals, and it's a pencil. I actually thought it was going to be a retractable, but it's a pencil, but it's very smooth and creamy, so I do like that. You can also take a highlighter concealer and put just a little bit of that right above your Cupid's bow. This is from Benefit. This is their Bright On Concealer. You can use any concealer you want. You can use any highlighter you want. You can even use a light colored eyeshadow just right at the top of your Cupid's bow. This is their 01 shade. I'm just going to use a little lip brush. Blend that in. You don't want a milk mustache, so you just want to use a little bit. Okay, so there's Honey Bun with the NYX 10 out of 10 lip liner. And now I'm going to try the other one. Now I'm going to try Peach Bellini. This is the Peach Bellini. It's really creamy, beautiful. I'm going to see if this lip liner will also work with this one. I think it will. Perfect. And this lip liner, it worked for both shades. This is 10 out of 10 NYX, and it was under $10. Very affordable. I've had a lot of fun trying these new lipsticks. I just want to let you know I'm not sponsored by this. I just wanted to share with you my first impressions of these lipsticks, and I don't receive any benefit from sharing this with you, but I wanted to let you know that. And also, I'll link everything below if you are interested in trying any of these. Also, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe. That means a lot to me. Well, thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.